Hi guys, this is Taylor here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Today I'm standing on a 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Starting in the back here, big giant swim platform. It also has a manual drop down swim platform that goes into the water, easier to step up on. Coming through the boat, nice easy walk through here, storage area, more storage area under this, giant swim bed, layout, get some sun. This is a flip-flop seat, so you can put it that way when you're sitting people up here. Walking through the boat, does have a wash down area there, Fusion transom radio. Coming through the boat, it's all gonna have snap-in sea deck. Does come with a table. You also have storage under all of these seats. Ski locker here. Moving to the dash, does come with a 9-inch Simrad. It's going to have your GPS, depth finder, fish finder, all your gauges, all your engine information. Fusion radio system, Fusion tower speakers. Just have a giant head in here. Comes with padding, so you can lay in there for a bed. You can flip that up, and there's a bathroom down in there as well. Coming through the side here, very wide beam. Set a lot of people up here. Nice table, enjoy a meal or some drinks with some friends, and also has a swim ladder off the front. If you do have any questions, please give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit our website at marinemax.com. Thank you.